New product for coming season from KEYO, 57cm Premium Charcoal Kettle Grill. The grill is finished with the latest glossy metallic enamel technology, compared with the black enamel of some famous brands in the market. KEYO's grill is bright as a mirror, but the ordinary one is overshadowed. KEYO also provides charcoal chimney starter or electrical starter to ignite. The grill is equipped with 2 charcoal holders which divide the charcoal into 2 parts and enable the heat to diffuse around to protect the food from overcooking or burning. KEYO's grill is not only for barbecue. With the equipped pizza stone, you can bake your favorite pizza. With the smoking box, you can prepare the bacon, the shish kebabs. Or if the steak is your favorite, we have the cast iron grid. There are also roaster for chicken, cast iron or stainless steel pan for frying, glossy porcelain enamel enable the surface very easy to clean. Possessing a full set of patent and safety certificates, KEYO brand new 57cm Charcoal Kettle Grill gives you a fantastic barbecue time. KEYO.